How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here at the 2025 Boston Boat Show, and today I'm going to take you through the brand new 2025 Saxdor 320 GTC. This boat is going to be equipped with the V8 300 Verados, of course joystick control, skyhook, and autopilot all incorporated. Here in the aft you see that you've got a great seating lounging area here, big wide table for entertaining. Of course, this seat here, this will come forward by the push of a button, so you can sit facing aft or sitting facing forward. One big thing you'll notice, of course, 32-foot boat. You look at how much room you have here with these side fold downs, both port and starboard. And these are all push of a button, and those will come up and down. Now this is the coupe version, so you'll notice that you have a full sliding glass door here, which is nice. You can very easily shut this and be completely enclosed and have all temperature control inside of here. Coming into the boat, immediately port side, you're going to have your prep station, freshwater sink. You're going to have your 2-burner stove top here, and you're going to have plenty of storage underneath. Just adjacent to that, you're going to have a refrigerator under the seat here. And then you're going to have a full dining set here. Now these two helm chairs do completely swivel so that you could be entertaining or having dinner, playing cards here. And this table, by the push of a button, this will go down. And then you've got a filler cushion which will fill this in to make another sleeping area up here. Again, notice that we are completely enclosed. Right now our side windows are open, but very easily, again, you can shut these windows, both port and starboard. Push of a button, you can shut this top here, and you can see that there. You push a button, that will close. And again, you can just shut this here, and when you shut that, now you're completely enclosed out of the elements, and you can still go boating up here in the Northeast. At the helm, you'll notice that this boat here is equipped with dual Simrad screens, really nicely finished acrylic dash, joystick control, digital throttles, and they actually put a bow thruster on here as well, so it's a very easy boat to maneuver around the dock. All of your lights here are going to be all backlit for all of your switching, auto trim tabs. Super easy boat to run both underway and at the dock. Coming down into the 320 coupe cabin, you'll notice that this boat is very comfortable for 2 adults. You can see how big this berth is forward here. And then you'll notice there's a full marine toilet down here, and it's kind of a nice system where if you do want to get out of there, you can just shut this comes over, and now you've got plenty of privacy inside of the head. As we go forward to the bow, again, that door that I showed you shuts very easily, opens very easily. And up here in the bow, you'll notice there's plenty of seating for 2 adults. You'll notice a couple of receivers here, so there is a manual sunshade that goes up here so that you can be out of the sun if you want to be up in the bow area. And of course forward here, there's a custom anchor windlass, and that's all concealed underneath here. Again, this is the new 2025 32 GTC Saxdor. It is on display here at the Boat Show in Boston. For more information, visit us at MarineMax.com or call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.